I am John Ray Romero from Mazaya Company. I am technician of Mazaya Company. We are now installing this dispenser dresser vane for hose made in Brazil. We are installing now. We are about to finish the installation of this 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We installed the installation risers. We will install also this safety valve, this shear valve. We will install for the safety purposes. Made in Brazil. This one, the quality of this dispenser is very good. Little expensive, but the quality is very good. This dispenser have 4 nozzles: 1, 2, 3, 4, 291 and 295. There is one emergency button, and we are about to finish the installation of the plumbing. The remaining is the electrical. We belong to Mazaya Company and we belong to Mazaya technician team.